welcome to the 2025 Color Me Kentucky Fashion Show. Come with me and I'll take you inside. So we're at the Manchester Reserve. It's a beautiful music hall. We have about 400 guests maybe tonight, so we're very excited, and as you can see, the room is starting to fill up. The show is put on by students in the College of Agriculture. The students have booked the space, set up the space, rented the runway, got the catering, decorated the tables, marketed the whole thing, and put together this amazing show. Yes, you look beautiful.
Yeah, this is the one in Brandon Crossing. It is one of the newest stores right here in Lexington.
Each model wears 2 to 5 looks, so we have it all spaced out, and we have categories like game day, Keeneland and Derby, and formal looks. All the models are students actually, so we have students and we have Miss Teen Kentucky and Miss Kentucky walking in our fashion show. The looks we're wearing are all from local boutiques, and they're so beautiful, and we can't wait to showcase them.